Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Rams. And just an honor to come for a first time to this school to share my heart with the students and staff. The assembly's focus for today was on bullying, looking at the heart first. And it does tie into their mission here, kind of their motto, their mantra, which is Rams. And that stands for respectful, being accountable, we have right here, and motivated and self-discipline. But like I told them, the focus today was on that R, right? That the respectful piece is that if we want respect, well, then we have to give it, right? We have to show it. And we do that through our actions, we do that through our words. We know that our heart is as big as our fist, but we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this peace sign. And the reason that it's two is because one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love and kindness. But it's also two because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, one action, one word, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so rude, so negative, so mean, it stays in their heart in a very bad way for the rest of their life. So we have this choice. And just based on the feedback from the students, a lot of them sharing their heart with me after the assembly, something that touched their heart, I said, that means that they have a big heart. And now it's up to them to go share that gift by how they choose to treat themselves and others going forward. And to know that we always have a choice, whatever we've been through, will go through, have gone through, are currently going through, right? That we can always turn hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why I see bullying happens, into healed people who heal people, right? We always have that option. And to know that we can either, rise above the hate and choose love, or just push that pain on someone else, hopefully we're going to choose the former, which is not easy to do. It's not easy to forgive. It's not easy to move on. But until we do, we can't really be all in for this planet. And Gandhi has said, famous peacemaker Mahatma Gandhi, that, we need to be the change that we want to see in this world, right? Not just need to, but we must. That there's not really a choice, right? We as human beings have that responsibility to uplift others higher than ourselves. And they have different other phrases here around the school campus: ram it up, climbing to the top. And that to me, ties into how we need to raise people up, right? That we rise by lifting others. And when we start to see that at work, we want to do it more and more, right? And a big part of that, a big piece that I bring up in all my presentations is this concept too, that all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? This M stands for miracle, upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to buy into that concept, because a lot of people I speak to, they don't see it in themselves. Maybe they've forgotten, maybe they've just never been told that. So we can be that light to their heart if we choose to. But thank you all for touching my heart. It was a great morning and afternoon. I have the parent session tonight too as well, and to reach the entire community today. And again, just really incredible to see our young people pick up that torch for change and know that they can even make a difference, a really big difference at a very young age. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.